Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your taskbar on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and if I want to customize taskbar, we can right click on the taskbar and then we can choose taskbar setting, and it will bring us to the setting, and here you'll be able to customize the taskbar on your Windows. You can customize the taskbar items you want to display, and as you can see I have displayed search, task view, and also widget. And here you just need to choose the items you want to display. For example, I'm going to change my search bar. For example, I'm just going to select search icon and label. And as you can see, my search button has been changed. And I'm going to try this one as well. Okay, this is for the icon only, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and here you can choose either you want to display the task view or not, and also the widget. And I'm going to turn it off. Okay, and then I'm going to activate the pan menu. Okay, and then I'm going to select always. Okay, and this is for the on-screen keyboard. I'm going to display it on my taskbar, and this is for the date and time and also notification. And you can change your taskbar color if you want. For me, I'm just going to leave it like that. I don't want to change it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to customize taskbar on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.